Yeah, unfortunately, a lot of people are still not aware of how incredibly important it is that fire or like smoke detectors are meeting the official requirements of the city, county, state, and country where you live in, because in case something happens and you don't meet the requirements, your insurance could reject the claim because you haven't been meeting the official requirements. And so that's definitely the wrong place to try to save a lot of money, because you can lose at the end a lot of money. And so that's an awesome thing that we have this Heiman smoke detector set. It's even actually a pretty budget-friendly model or set which we have here. By the way, regarding certifications, it's also very important that the seller does not only say it's tested according to the UL 217 standards, but it has to be tested from a very respected company like here the Intertech, and they have to list, of course, then the product. And the product here I can see that's the S1-S, and I can even see that here on the website. So the Intertech is saying that this model here has been tested, investigated, and found to comply with the requirements of the standard for outline of investigation for smoke alarms UL 217 edition 10, which I think is the latest version as of 2026. And the Intertech is even officially recognized by the US OSHA as a nationally recognized testing laboratory. So products with the Intertech's ETL listed mark are legally equivalent to those with the UL mark. So absolutely awesome. But of course, I'm also showing you what we get. We get actually pretty cool devices here. So we get actually 6 small, super stylish smoke detectors. You can see them here. They are not super large here, pretty small, and come with an awesome design. Watch how beautiful they are. And I think they got even a design award. Yeah, definitely no surprise. So here the package a little bit closer. What we also get here, some accessories here inside, like some magnetic mounting stickers with 3M tape, an instructions manual. Here again, the super small size, and especially we can see that when we compare that to normal standard smoke detector size, which we were used till now, this one here, this Heiman, definitely much smaller. I love that, and despite the small size, it has still a very advanced dual photoelectric detection. And they come even with this installation plate, so we can rotate this plate here counterclockwise and then remove it. And we can also see where we have the battery. Battery can be super easily activated with just pulling out this protection strip here. We just pull and now it's activated. Battery definitely removable, as you can see. Also very easy to put it back. To make sure that it's working, or actually for weekly testing, we have this button, don't use an open fire or flame or smoke or something else. We can really do that with this button here. So I push this down, cover here a little bit the speaker so it's not so loud, because when I press for 3 seconds it will activate the alarm here. By the way, for a quick check, you can just short press here. You also hear that the battery is still active, and you will see a red flashing LED. I think this is every 1 minute, like with pretty much every other smoke alarm as well. So we really have everything what we need here. By the way, if you have a real alarm, you can push here to deactivate the alarm for 10 minutes. Or if you have a low battery alarm after 10 years, you can delay that also for 12 hours by just pushing here. Super simple. And so you can easily install it with this mounting plate here in the back with some simple screws like that. Just screw it down, or of course usually up to the ceiling. Okay, has a nice hold, and now we can take the smoke alarm and twist it clockwise, and now it's fully secured. To remove it, we can rotate counterclockwise and have the full access, for example, for battery change. But usually that's not needed because it's a 10-year battery and it's highly recommended to dispose such smoke alarms anyway after 10 years. Or we have, of course, also the second option to just leave this back plate on here and add one of the stickers with these two magnets here on the back of the smoke detector and another plate without these magnets on the ceiling. I do it just here, and then we can just put it here. Has a very safe hold and you can remove it, attach it back at any time. Super convenient. Yeah, an absolutely awesome set full of safety for your home. Heiman photoelectric smoke alarms. Definitely my choice and I hope it's also yours. Yeah, pretty cool stuff. The only thing I realized now, that is actually not a 10-year sealed battery. It is a 10-year battery, which is perfectly suitable for a lot of locations, but not for every location. If your city, county, state or whatever is asking for a 10-year sealed battery, then that's not what you want. So just make sure that you install the stuff which is required in your location. Other than that, they are looking absolutely awesome. I really love these Heiman photoelectric smoke alarms, and they come even at a very low price. I think one of the cheapest with all the certifications I have found. And so for interest, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order a set for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with these photoelectric smoke alarms, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.